Hi guys, good morning. Okay, so today we're gonna go ahead and try the shadow investigation to answer the question, can a stationary object, can the shadow move, or how does it move? Okay, so as scientists, we are gonna be looking for patterns within that number. We're gonna be looking for how the shadow changes, if the shadow changes. So today I have my investigation set up on my driveway. It's pretty sunny. It's a pretty sunny place. You might need to go to the sidewalk, or if you have a back patio, that would be a really great option. But I'm gonna go ahead and do it on my sidewalk. So you're gonna be tracking this 3 different times, 2 or 3 different times today. So make sure if you have materials that you don't wanna get damaged outside, that you're taking them in each time, especially your iPad. Make sure that you're taking your iPad in and out each time so that it doesn't get taken or damaged in any way, okay? So check out my setup. Okay, so I have my data collection table ready for my estimations. And then I also have my 3 artifacts. So my Play-Doh was artifact 1, my water bottle was my artifact 2, and then my book was artifact 3. Okay, and then here's my science helper. You can do this on a paper with the 3 different colors like we talked about yesterday, but if you have chalk would be a really good option too. Okay, so I'm gonna do my first check in yellow. Here, can I do it, bud? Okay, you can get another color. Here's the water bottle, and then here's the book. Okay, so those are my shadows for my first check. What time is it? It is 9:55, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and write those things down, the time and my estimation in my data table, and I think I'm probably gonna take a picture too as evidence, okay? So here we go, check 1. We're gonna head on a run and then do another check here in a couple, maybe an hour or so. Okay, we are here for our second check today. It's about 10:55, so it's exactly almost an hour since we did our first check. If you're doing your own investigation today or this weekend, this might be a good place for you to pause, because I want you to be able to record your own numbers and your own observations, so you don't have to continue with the video right now. You can later after you do your own investigation. Okay, here we are, ready for a second check. I'm gonna go ahead and trace this shadow. It definitely has moved since an hour ago. There's Emmett with the chalk. And then I did mark where I put my artifacts, see that little X, so that I can put it in the exact same spot each time. Okay, so I would mark with a little X or a dot so you know where everything is. There's the Play-Doh. Okay, so right now it looks like our shadow has gotten smaller, and it's definitely at a different angle, would be my observation. I wonder why. Okay, here we are for our last check. Check 3, it's 12:30, so it's a little more than an hour. But I noticed that our shadow has changed again. I'm gonna go ahead and do another trace around the shadow. Oops. Okay, so as a scientist, if I was gonna make another prediction, or make a prediction about what like if I came out and checked again, which I think I might, I think my shadow is gonna continue to get smaller and continue to move more to the right. I don't know. Okay, we wanted to do one more check to see what direction the shadows kept going in. So here we are tracing check number 4. Looks like they're going around. Okay, so on my final check, I predicted that my shadow would continue to get smaller and that it would just continue to move to the right, which it did continue to move to the right, but because it was so late in the day, it was almost 4 o'clock by the time I got out there a fourth time, the shadow was almost the same size as it was for my first check. And so that was something that I didn't expect, but my thinking is changing now as a scientist. And so today or another sunny day, as you conduct your own investigation, I wonder if you'll make predictions, or you'll think that maybe your shadow will change in a certain way, and maybe it won't. And that's great. We make predictions, and sometimes what we find actually challenges our predictions and changes our thinking. So I'm really excited to see you guys get out there and conduct your own investigation. If it's not sunny today, don't worry about it. Just wait for a sunny day. If you can't find a sunny place, or you don't feel like you have the materials, don't worry about it. Maybe you can just do it like outside your window, or when the sun's coming into a window in the morning. Put something there. What do you notice? Does the sun coming into your window, does that shadow on the object, does that change throughout the day? Okay, so if you don't have the perfect materials or the perfect place, don't worry about it. See what you can do. Okay, good luck.